If you want to transfer your ticket to someone else, then here's how you do it. You should go to the Stubhub app or the stubhub.com. Then log in, of course, go to your My Tickets section. Oh, yeah, My Tickets section or the cell, which you can see right here. Cell. Then, after tapping that, is that it will lead you to this page right here, which you can see that your plans has changed. Then you should sell your tickets. You should choose transfer or mobile transfer. See right here, you can enter the ticket details here. After that is it will lead you to this option right here if you're ready to transfer or if you want to transfer it later. After that is you just need to provide your details, what seat details you are, how many quantity of the tickets were you selling, the features and disclosures, and after all of that it will notify you that your tickets has been transferred.